However, watch. Hey guys, this is the only house cut that I've ever done, will ever do, and it's for my grandfather, and he bears the same last name I do, and it's Baca. And that's our last name, and this is my grandfather. And he's almost 100 years old. This is an anomaly. I don't make a house call for anybody, except unless it's him. And so, and look guys, you've never seen me outside of my shop, and this is right here to cut my grandfather's hair. And this is Grandpa Baca, so he's the first. John's here, my beautiful Aunt Tracy is here, and everybody's here. Sylvia and... Guys, my grandmother passed away, so there's going to be a memorial for her on Saturday, and this is my grandfather, and it was his wife, and so we got to give him a haircut, guys, for And I'm glad you called me, Aunt Tracy. I was getting ready to call you too. I already knew that I had already talked to Albert. I just had a long night last night. Not long night out or anything. I mean, I had to get dinner made and all this other junk I hate cookies. See, there's that beautiful voice. I love you for that. My God, I love the cheer.
Well, we're happy you're here.
Thank you for that.
Yeah.
It's your beautiful voice. You always sound like you're 20. I swear on everything. It's like... And it was cool that John was here whenever. Yeah. Show John on YouTube. You could show John right there. Like anything you put on there is going to be on YouTube. I love you so much, Mike. Yeah. I'm not bothering you either. Like, I love you for that, Mike. Hey guys, this is my Aunt Tracy. She lives right very close to my shop. Literally, it's like, guys, you know I'm going to get super specific. It's 0.3 miles away from my shop. So I'm saying if you guys think I need to hire her to start holding the camera at the shop and you guys like it, leave a comment below. Just to see if they like that. And see, look, Tracy, I'm not going to go too short on Grandpa's hair, but I know how to make it look real classy and have but still have it nice and clean too.
That's right, you're the artist.
Awesome, watch, I'll show you too. Yeah, and these guys love to see it on my YouTube channel. Hey guys, if you like what I do, like and subscribe. There's big news coming soon. The shout out to the deputy director of the correctional institution. They want me to be on the board of commissions.
Awesome.
Leave a comment if you guys want that to happen. And I actually put in a resume for that to happen. I applied for the position. And so we'll see, guys. We'll know in a few days.
It's wonderful.
Change everything from the inside out. Watch, let's see. Right over here. And so how old is Grandpa now exactly? 98 or 99?
99 and a half.
Oh, wow. Beautiful. Awesome. Wow, I feel blessed to even be able to cut, this beautiful man's hair without a doubt. So especially giving us that last name, and I'm going to make something great out of that last name. I can promise you that. I'm already making it famous. See what Grandpa's hair is. His hair was like my dad's hair.
Yeah?
Now, and you know what's sad? When the worst part about this is I never got to cut my dad's hair, which is the weirdest part of all this. It's like all the gifting and haircuts that I've done and gave away, and I'm almost famous because of I've never once, was able to cut his hair. That's kind of, so we'll see though. At least I was able to cut Grandpa's hair and everything.
It's all right. When we get to heaven, we'll see him and you can cut his hair.
No.
But you can't answer.
And now you guys will have the video of this too, because I'll share it with you guys. It'll be on TV too. You guys will be able to. Did you guys know that I had a YouTube channel? Thomas Baca Barber on YouTube, and you can see I must have maybe 300 videos. We get paid for YouTube. I'm a YouTube partner, and
Yeah, we have to. But is this like your phone?
Yeah.
So you know how to reach you who just called?
let's see which one. Just need to doctor this so you can pop it together the right way.
You're calling me.
Sure you. Are they calling me right now? Hello?
And what's Grandpa gonna do, Tracy? Shave around? Is he gonna shave around that goatee at some point? Does he want me to do that?
Ask Daddy what he wants.
Hey, Grandpa. Did you want me to shave your face a tiny bit right here, or do you want to leave it how it is?
You do your job you want to
Okay, I can do that.
So,
do. Okay.
Awesome. Nice. I like how he says that because watch, I'll show him what and I'll have it looking perfect, everything. I got your eyebrows, I got everything, watch, as long as they... And you look great, Grandpa. I haven't seen you in forever. This is awesome.
That's right.
Very
A
cool.
long time ago,
Yeah.
when you were a third baseman for the baseball team.
Oh, wow. I was. He knew...
I saw you
Wow.
then.
And you were winning World Series softball tournaments back then.
Yeah.
That's when I remember Grandpa winning those World Series tournaments. Grandpa was a pitcher. Like, my memory shot, everyone. I can't even remember the haircut I did last week, but this information I'll never forget. So.
oh, dude. I remember words to songs from 50 years ago, and I don't remember yesterday.
I love you. That's how I am, I swear. The client's like, oh, what you did last time? And I'm like, wait a minute. It's like, I can't remember what I did an hour ago. And where are you living, Sylvia? Out here?
I live in Los Lunas.
Oh, you live out here in New Mexico, though, too?
Yeah, my
Oh,
husband
sick.
and I moved back here from Texas.
Oh, nice.
Make sure you get keep them.
Perfect. Nah, you guys can however you want. It's organic here. I appreciate it. We're gonna see it.
I can't tell you what they do.
Wait, did you say your husband, Sylvia?
Yes,
Oh, okay, awesome.
yeah. Love him, my
I love you, Aunt Tracy. My God, I love how you are. My God. Aunt Tracy's already floating around. It's like, my God.
Her arms
Oh
got
my-
tired.
Okay, I see what you're saying. I
Tracy,
love.
wait. It's not recording. You hit a red button.
I didn't touch it.
That's okay. Don't worry about it. Watch. Let's see.
TJ has it
Is it
still
recording?
Yeah, it's still recording.
Oh, mine,
Yeah,
when
no,
mine
that's
goes
okay, don't
red,
worry
it
about
means
it
I
at all.
stopped it.
Yeah, guys, don't worry. It's and watch. Look, I'm gonna pop this together. When I do his face, we'll stop recording. We'll just get the haircut. That way they can. That way I
Okay.
can spend time with actually Grandpa and you, and I want to be able to. But let me just let him see this part of the finishing of the cut at least.
Wow, Daddy, look 50 years younger.
This looks great on him.
All we gotta do is dye your hair black.
He has good hair. I can't believe that he has all of his hair too.
So did Mama.
That's crazy.
Grandma had full heads of hair. All that color.
Wow. Insane.
Kendrick Hospice.
Well, I couldn't tell. They would have called back if they were still out there.
They did.
I can't believe even John's here. That's awesome.
They- How's your mama?
She's doing good.
It's a Baca tradition.
See, look at this. All of us are artists. You guys are all singers.
No.
I sing too, I just don't have Tracy's voice. I was like, I love how. It's like, let's hear it in, Tracy. It's like, Mike, I love you so much, Mike. There's no way your voice said that you can't know it's you. It's like, there's no way in God's green earth. Nobody has that voice. Even Grandpa knows. See what I mean? That's where it's like. It's like, guys, am I the same or am I any different? It's like
It's nice.
It's like, well, let's see your clothes fit. It's like Do you remember that? I'm just kidding. They're like, I used to wear pants that were humongous. It was like four
Yeah.
people could fit in a pair of pants.
Yeah, you used to like to show your undies.
Was it really? Oh my God, that's not good either. It's like, well, none of that happens now. Do you notice? It's like,
Oh, I still see a lot of guys with their.
yeah, I don't get it. I don't like that. It's like,
It's a trend.
they don't fit. It's like
Stupid.
the neighbor had his pants where they were like that. I was like, geez, dude, it's like, are you sure you're?
I don't think Grandpa has ever had such a good haircut.
And Grandpa has great hair. That's what the thing of. Now watch, look, we'll put this and then watch. We'll, and then I can even look at him from the front to see how. Yeah, he's in good shape. Like Grandpa looks good too for like it's like dang 99 and a half. Almost, be 100 soon. And what month is his birthday?
December. That's why it's
December?
6 more
Oh,
months.
nice. So yeah, he'll be 100 for sure. December, what is his birthday exactly?
5.
Huh?
5.
Oh, nice. Huh.
December the 5th.
He's gonna do that for sure. Oh, nice. That's gonna be another record. And then watch. I did a haircut that would suit Grandpa too. I wanted to make sure it was Grandpa. It wasn't. You're not doing this, And then let me look at this from a distance to see what this is.
Oh,
Oh,
you
that's
can do it
perfect.
right there. You're not blocking the camera? Oh, God.
Yeah, no, and it's not watching. Hey, Grandpa, do you have anything to say?
Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. Look at the haircut, guys. It looks great on him, and it looks awesome. And I'll show you really quick about Grandpa real quick. Look at this is his softball stuff. This is what Grandpa used to do.
Hall of Fame is on the bottom. It's Hall of Fame.
And guys, this is his Hall of Fame.
Yeah.
This is my grandpa, Al Baca. And that's him with all of his trophies. And this is him one more time. And guys, we are going to go. Thank you.